a smallest nut can hold the power to unite a nation. The Buai struggle, how PNG's chewing culture drives daily income. 1. The pulse of the streets. In the heart of Papua New Guinea, where city streets hum with life and color, one small nut fuels a billion-kina microeconomy, the Betelnut or Buai. From sunrise to sunset, its trade connects farmers, mothers, students, and street vendors in a web of tradition, survival, and pride. 2. The journey begins from tree to market. High in the humid lowlands and coastal villages, farmers climb towering betel nut palms to harvest the day's catch. The nuts are sorted, bagged, and loaded, ready for the long journey to town markets. 3. Market life, women at the front line. In the market, women dominate the trade. They buy from suppliers and resell in smaller quantities, each nut, each sale, a story of resilience and resourcefulness. 4. The Buai Ekonomi, small nut, big impact. The Buai trade may seem small, but its impact is vast. It supports thousands of households, pays school fees, and keeps families fed. It is more than a habit, it is an informal economy sustaining livelihoods. 5. The challenges, rules, and risks. But this trade faces growing challenges. City bans, health campaigns, and urban cleanup drives threaten its place in public life. Still, the people adapt, moving markets, changing methods, finding new ways to sell. 6. Tradition and identity. For many, Buai is more than business, it is culture, a shared moment of conversation, friendship, and belonging. It connects generations from village to city, rich to poor. 7. The future of Buai. As PNG modernizes, the betel nut trade evolves. It remains a symbol of hard work, tradition, and community, proving that even the smallest nut can hold the power to unite a nation.